Good morning, students. As you know, we are in integration and we are doing integration by parts. Today, I am here with some new problems. See the first problem. Integrate cos x dx divided by 1 minus sin x into 2 minus sin x. So first of all, substitute this one. Apply substitution. Means put sin x is equals to u and differentiate it. After differentiation of sin x will be cos x dx is equals to du. Put this value in the question. Then I should now equal to du upon 1 minus u into 2 minus u. Take minus as a common from the first factor and minus as a common from the second factor. So both minus together becomes positive, means plus, and it reduces to du upon u minus 1 into u minus 2. So now our function is 1 upon u minus 1 into u minus 2. See, both are linear function because variable of power is 1. So for linear we write it as a upon u minus 1 plus b upon u minus 2. Write here suppose and considered it as equation number 1. Equation number 1. Now take out LCM. So after taking LCM, left side b remains same, u minus 1 into u minus 2, and in right side we have a into u minus 2 plus b into u minus 1 upon u minus 1 into u minus 2. Both LCMs, both sides, means denominator of the both sides are equal, so numerator should also equivalent. Therefore on comparing, a into u minus 2 plus b into u minus 1 should equivalent to 1. Now put u minus 1 is equals to 0, means u is equals to 1. Then in this equation, a into 1 minus 2 plus b into u minus 1, b into 1 minus 1 equal to 1, and this becomes 0, this is minus 1, therefore a is equals to minus 1. And secondly put u minus 1 is u minus 2 is equals to 0. So u minus 2 equal to 0 means u is equal to 2. Therefore from this equation it should be a into 2 minus 2 plus b into 2 minus 1 should equal to 1, which means b is equals to 1. Now putting the value of a and b in equation 1. Thus from equation 1 we have 1 upon u minus 1 into u minus 2 should equals to, first write positive b, 1 upon u minus 2 a is negative, so minus 1 upon u minus 1. Now integrate both sides. So this should be 1 upon u minus 1 into u minus 2 du is equals to integration of du upon u minus 2 minus integration of du upon u minus 1. Now integrate. Now integration becomes very simple. So it should be log u minus 2 minus log u minus 1. Applying log property, it should further be written as log u minus 2 upon u minus 1. Now put down the value of u. We have considered u as sin x. So it should be log sin x minus 2 upon sin x minus 1. This is our answer step. So put c here, that is integral constant c. Since your question is in term of 1 minus x, 2 minus x, so you also write at log, take minus common, minus 1 common into numerator, and again 2 minus sin x it should be, and minus in denominator. Both negative signs should cancel, so you may also write this as answer. Both are correct. This is also your part of answer. Next, see the next question. Your next question is integrate dx upon e to the power x minus 1. Put e to the power x as u. In this question, put e to the power x as u, differentiate it both sides, then e to the power x dx is equals to du, or dx is 1 by e to the power x du, and you have taken e to the power x as u, so finally dx is equals to 1 upon u into du. So this function reduces to du upon u into u minus 1. The value of dx is 1 upon u du. Now our integration, that means our function is 1 upon u into u minus 1. Again here both are linear, so let it is a upon u plus b upon u minus 1. Take out LCM, so LCM should be a into u minus 1 plus b into u divided by u into u minus 1. Compare them, their denominators are same, it means their numerator should also be equivalent. A into u minus 1 plus b into u is equal to 0. When u equal to 0, that factor means a into 0 minus 1 plus b into 0 is equals to 1. It should be 1. Numerator is this side is 1, and hence a is equal to minus 1. Similarly, when u minus 1 is equals to 0, means u is equal to 1, and u is equals to 1. This implies a into 1 minus 1 plus b into 1 is equal to 1, means b is equals to 1. Thus we have obtained the value of a and b. Now the function should be written as a upon u into u minus 1 should equals to a is negative, so write it later, and first write b because it is positive. 1 upon u minus 1 minus 1 upon u. Integrate both sides, du integration du integration du, and its integration is log u minus 1 minus log u minus 1 minus log u, and put down the value of u, which is e to the power x, and du is 1, dx is 1 by u du. So integration of du by u is dx, u is e to the power x minus 1 is equals to log e to the power x minus 1 minus log e to the power x. Apply the properties of log e to the power x minus 1 upon e to the power x plus integral constant c. So students, in this way we solve the problems of partial fraction. See one more question, that will be next question. Your next question is integrate dx बटा x into x to the power n plus 1. First of all, put x to the power n like previous problem is equal to u. Put x to the power n is equals to u. Differentiate it. N x n minus 1 dx is equal to du, and n and x to the power n minus 1 dx is equal to du. Now come on to question. First rationalize it by x to the power n minus 1. So this becomes x to the power n minus 1 dx. X to the power n minus 1 when multiplied with x becomes x to the power n into x to the power n plus 1. That remains same. Now this function should be written as, here 1 by n is left, x to the power n minus 1 dx, that means du by n is constant, so du by u plus 1, just like the previous problem. Let 1 upon u into u plus 1 is equals to a upon u plus b upon u plus 1. Again take LCM. The process, the steps of calculation remain same. So its LCM is u into u plus 1, a into u plus 1 plus bu. As their denominators are same, so compare their numerators, it should also be equal. Therefore, a into u plus 1 plus bu should equivalent to 1. When u is equal to 0, it means a into 0 plus 1 is equals to 1, and consequently a is equals to 1. Similarly, when u plus 1 is equals to 0, it means u is equal to minus 1. This implies a into minus 1 plus 1 plus b into minus 1 is equal to 1, and b is equals to minus 1. Write down these values in the equation. So 1 upon u into u plus 1 should be written as 1 upon u, since b is negative, so minus 1 upon u plus 1. Now integrate both sides. Integration of symbol and du. Its integration is log u minus log u plus 1 log a minus log b, that should be log u upon u plus 1. This is according to the property of logarithm. Now write down the value of u. So log x to the power n by x to the power n plus 1. Now multiply both sides by 1 by n, because you have to calculate the value of 1 by n into this integration. So multiply both sides by 1 by n. So it should be 1 by n into du upon u into u plus 1 should equals to 1 by n log x to the power n upon x to the power n plus 1 plus constant, integral constant c. This should be your result. So come on to students, next question. Your next question is integrate x square dx by x square plus 4 into x square plus 9. The denominators are quadratic. Our function is, given function is x square upon x square plus 4 into x square plus 9. This is our given function. In this function, let x square is equals to, suppose it is y or u, anything, then it should be written as y upon y square plus 4 y plus 4 into y plus 9, which is our function. So function is now y plus 4 into y plus 9. First separate them, then integrate. Let it is a upon y plus 4 plus b upon y plus 9. According to partial fraction, it reduces from quadratic to linear. After taking LCM, we write a into y plus 9 plus b into y plus 4 divided by y plus 4 into y plus 9. Compare them. So on comparing, we have a into y plus 9 plus b into y plus 4 is equals to y. This is our function. So first put y plus 9 equal to 0. Put y plus 9 equal to 0 means y is equals to minus 9. Then y is equal to minus 9 when put here, then it becomes a into 0. So a into 0 minus 9 plus 4, that should be minus 5. So minus 5b is equal to minus 9, and hence b is equals to 9 by 5. Both negative signs should cancel. Next, when y plus 4 is equals to 0, means when y is equals to minus 4, it means b into minus 4 plus 4, that becomes 0. A into 5 minus 4 plus 9 is 5 is equals to minus 4. Therefore a is equals to minus 4 upon 5. Therefore y upon y plus 4 into y plus 9 should be written as, first I write b 9 by 5 into 1 upon y plus 9 minus 4 upon 5 into 1 upon y plus 4. Now here put the value of y, then integrate. So x square dx by x square plus 4 into x square plus 9 integral 9 by 5 dx by x square plus 9 minus 4 by 5 into dx by x square plus 4. This is a square of 3, this is a square of 4, so its integral, I think you all have remembered, its integral is 1 by a tan inverse x by a. So tan inverse x by 3. Similarly, it is 1 by a means 1 by 2 tan inverse x by a, that is x by 2. Simplify, 2 cancels by 4. So finally our result is 9 by 15 tan inverse x by 3 plus minus 2 by 5 tan inverse x by 2 plus integral constant c. So the children, in this way we solve the problems. So tomorrow in the next class we will solve some more problems. Thank you.